Chevrolet Jaguar junk. Another day in the life of the Jaguar junk. Where's that caliper? Junk. Rebuilt caliper from doesn't matter what company it comes from. The fitting was stripped on the inside. You go to put your genuine Lucas Girling brake pipe on and it's stripped. If it's a stripper, you want her stripped. If it's a brake line, you want it to seal real right because your life depends on this. Junk. Jaguar junk. Where's the car wizard? We'll ship it off to him. Anywho, so I have been changing door hinge pins on my C3500, and I bought this fancy tool because the other side somebody welded the pin on, and I use a Sawzall blade, and let me tell you, there's nothing more aggravating than using a Sawzall blade, which is somewhere around here. Gone. Anyways, I was pounding away on that door, so I bought this tool with a special thick cutting blade, and I cut the top off, and it dropped down. I said, wait a second, this one's not welded on, and why'd I cut the top off? They just push out. It used to be that GM swaged them just like this roller. See how that's swaged in place? So I put everything back together. I even reused the old pin, and one bottom bushing was fine, and the upper bushing was worn right through. So this was a work truck, so the passenger door got used for loading up passengers. So I go to close it, and the door is buggered up. What the heck is going on? So I take me a look down here, and what do I see? The plastic that GM lines this with, because the door has been drooping for so long, has come right off. And this might not be as exciting as watching the Iron Trap Garage retrieving 34 Chevys at 1.75 speeds. I'm going to take my little pocket knife, my handy dandy 33-cent pocket knife, 3 for $1 at Dollar Tree. Boy, they got some bargains there. You don't feel so bad about buying Chinese junk when it's 33 cents. Just gonna cut that right off, right there. And this thing really needs a latch because this is riveted on. I'm gonna cut that off, and then we'll see how the door closes in a sec. Now I'm famous. Come on, closer. Don't be shy. I took a shower last
2012?
Yeah, something like that. So what happened was when the door sagged, this steel got mushroomed on the outside, but who cares about that? But it got mushroomed on the inside, and it was pinching the rotating striker finger. So now it works reasonably well, but we'll need a little bit more prying with a cheap screwdriver. Let's see how it closes. My almost brand new hinge pins and bushings. Oh, what a difference. Striker has to be moved out a bit because the door is closing a bit too snug, but let's check our alignment of the it's still drooping a bit, so hold that camera for me, Mr. Cameraman. See how loose we are. Oh, we still got some loose. Just want to go on the inside and see what's loose, and we're going to run into memory like usual. My phone is full. Bang! That's the raccoons. Alrighty. Another successful day. Thank you, Mr. LeroyDiesel.com, wherever you are in the great state of Texas, because you solved our problem. No more junk Chinese PMD cables. Garbage. LeroyDiesel.com. Leroy Diesel. Yahoo!